Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to guide you on how to see live videos on TikTok. If it's the first time you coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. So the new TikTok here, you can't find the live option at the top as well as usual. So in order for you to see people like videos, you need to type in the name and if you type in Pella or any other TikTok, then you're going to be seeing if you actually go ahead and join their live and watch their. So yeah, it's actually, if this account is actually live, you can go ahead and watch the person's live on TikTok. So another way you can actually watch live on TikTok to click on live, search for live now. Live on TikTok. Live on TikTok now. So as you type in that and search, you can go ahead on the. Here you can see people that is live. So you're gonna head up on the profile and you can actually join the live. So it's either you search for the specific person that you want to join his live, or you type in live on TikTok now to join live. So that is not how you can actually see live videos on TikTok. Maybe TikTok is still going to put back the live button. I don't know if it's an issue. So I hope TikTok is going to fix it. So that is on how you can actually see live on TikTok. And have a good come to the end of this video. Please just subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.